Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a little quick walk around on this 1958 Dodge D-100 truck that I'm going to redo. Needs a little work. We're going to do kind of a retro kind of deal on this. Needs a decent amount of body work, as you can see, but I've done a lot worse. It's going to have the small block Chevy in it, turbo 350 transmission. Got a trailer full of parts that I'm going to put in it. They go to the truck. Lots and lots of new parts. There's the turbo 350 transmission. TCI. It's the hot rodder version. Got it from Jegs. It was like 11 something. Basically it was $1,200 by the time tax was added. A whole lot of parts behind the building that are going to get blasted and redone. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of it before I get started on it. I'll kind of do some different little up-to-date deals and show you what I'm going to do to it. Maybe not a step-by-step thing, but give you a rough estimate.